welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host, James. Today is going to be awesome. We've got a guest. That's Chris from Bottle Cat Barbecue.
What up?
There he is. What's up, man? How you doing? Good. Hey. So, what we're doing today is he actually he stopped by the store, picked up this damn fly. There's one fly in here. Anyway. He stopped by the store, picked up tri-tip, and what are you going to do with the tri-tip?
Alright, so this is a beautiful tri-tip. No, we're coming close, but what we're going to be doing is just a dry grind with some loot and booty. So this dude is a local Arizona guy, phenomenal competition team, as well as seasonings. He does some barbecues, rubs, and sauces, but this is what we're running with today. So come in close, we're going to get seasoned this stuff. Alright, so look at the marbling on this thing. I mean, this thing is just phenomenal, and tri-tip is weird. Because it gets its name also, obviously, because of the tri-tip. But the marbling and the muscle fibers move in weird directions. So if you always find this one corner right here, the lines are going to string out like a hand in all directions. So over here, grain's going this way. Over here, grain's going that way. You just got to remember that when you're cutting up later. But, so what we're going to season this up with is some Loot and Booty everything rub. And when it says everything, it really does mean everything. Stuff goes in eggs. I put it on my pizza. Everything. So we're just doing a light layer of that. Not too heavy, because yes, this is a big piece of meat, but it's not going to take too long to cook, so we don't want to overload it. And we're also going to be layering flavor. Always layer flavor, right?
Always layer.
That. Make sure you get your edges. Like that. Awesome. Now we're going to finish it off with the what's your beef. This stuff is awesome for anything beef related. Steak, brisket, tri-tip.
That stuff smells delicious.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And again, not a heavy layer, just enough. Pat that in, because you know it's called rub, but you never rub it.
Right.
You just pat it in.
You don't rub it around.
And if you don't have these gloves at home, don't worry about it. Just make sure you always have one clean hand, one dirty hand. You always set your bottles that way without getting contaminated. Alright, so we've seen this thing up. We're going to let it set for maybe about an hour or so. Let the rub set in and sweat out. And then we're going to throw it out in the kettle. What up, guys? Alright, so we got this thing on. It's smelling delicious. So what we've done is we got the pit up about 270, 275, and running out that. We've had this thing on for about half hour now. And I'm telling you, with the hickory smoke, this thing is smelling delicious. So what we're going to do now is we're going to check it, make sure we don't need to spritz it, because if it's looking dry, we want to make sure that it keeps moisture up there. And we're going to go ahead and throw our probe in, just to watch it for the rest of this cook. So let's get this thing looking. Oh yeah, we're definitely going to be spritzing. So we've got plenty of smoke in there. Spritz down. And you don't want too much on there, just enough to keep it moist. And again, we've only been running about half hour, so this thing has lots to go still. So you can see how that color set in, the bark starting. Right now, I put that probe in there, just the fattest part, right in the middle. All right, and the probe's reading 102 right now, so. All right, so we're gonna pop the top, let this thing ride. All right, so it's been about 20 minutes more. We're hitting the 125 mark on this, so it is ready. We're gonna pop it, we're gonna take the probes out, and we're gonna do our searing. You smell that? Good it smells. Pulled out. Just pulled out like butter. All right.
Ooh, searing.
Sizzle. All right, we don't want it to go too long, maybe about a minute per side.
Oh, that's going perfect sizzle. You hear that?
Yeah.
That's going. Oh, this is nice. Ooh, that's great, Mark.
Try to get some hash marks on it.
All right.
Probably won't, but hey,
We'll
try.
We might.
Never cooked on a kettle before.
First time cooking on a kettle, and that tri-tip is looking amazing.
Yep. Let's rinse it one more time, then we're gonna flip it. Oh yeah.
Yeah, let me see. Oh man, there's the money. There's the money.
Hungry?
I'm starving.
I know, I actually am too.
What's the mixture in there?
So this is just a little bit of Worcestershire, just a little bit, maybe 2 tablespoons maybe.
2 tablespoons.
Yep, and then cut the rest with water.
Nice. Worcestershire. And water.
Water.
Oh yeah. What's it looking like? It's looking awesome. Yeah.
I want to get this edge just a little bit more.
Oh, there we go. Look at that thing. I need to get up in here real quick. I've got a tripod, but I'm coming in for the close-up. Oh my gosh. Look at that thing, guys. That is turning out amazing. Yeah.
Did you get this thing inside?
Yeah, man.
All right.
We're ready to go.
Burn my hand and this thing comes off.
Alright, we're taking this thing off.
All right.
Yeah, we're going to the pan. Okay,
Inside and this.
inside, and we'll catch you inside, right?
Wrap it.
Alright.
All right. So now we're going to wrap. What you want to do is you want to put some butter in here because everything is better with butter, right? And this is just going to add so much flavor. Hit that. Pop it. And basically, this is just the rest period. All right. Just gonna let this rest, and if you want some really good flavor, if you're not using this butter, you need to. Just all the pros use it. Just trust me. All right. About 10 minutes. We'll give it a try. So let this thing rest about 10 minutes. Check it out. Oh, look at that. This is uncut.
Oh, I see juices.
Oh yeah, see that? And once we slice, we'll dip it inside the juice again, just as a taste. All right, so you know what? So again, the grains start back here. It kind of spreads out, goes like that, all the way over. So when we cut, we want to cut against. So actually, just to show you guys what it looks like, I'm gonna cut right here. That way, when our slices will be more manageable.
Oh yeah, that's butter. Oh my gosh.
Can you zoom in on that?
Yeah, let me do this.
Like that.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah. All right. Set that there, and then slice over here just like that. All right, turn like this. Those juices.
Look at that. Even from here, I can see the juices
Right.
flowing. I'm standing like a mile away because I want some of that.
I know.
That looks phenomenal, bro.
All right, here. That in there. Give this a try.
I'm trying it right now. Here we go. Cheers, everybody. Look at this. Where are we at? Here. Oh my. It's dripping on my floor. The juices are everywhere. Look at that. Oh. Oh my gosh.
Pan up and get it.
No, yeah, no. Oh my man.
Pan up and get in there. Go on in.
That is melting in your mouth, miss.
All right. What do you think?
Wow. That's some good stuff, guys. That is
Tender?
Yes, tender, juicy, and look.
A little smoke ring. A little bit.
Oh, got a little smoke around there. Juice everywhere.
Yeah.
That's a winner, guys. Hey, so Bottle Cap Chris, Cooking with James, he's doing big things. I mean, we got a competition.
Oh yeah, got your competition coming up in October.
In October, we're gonna go to the competition. We're gonna check that out. We're gonna film some of that stuff. You know, see what it's like. So, you know, see what you like to, you know.
Hey, James, thanks for having me over. Hope you enjoyed it. It's a lot of fun meeting your family and just hanging out and doing some cooking. So, thanks guys for coming out. Hope you enjoyed, and remember, keep on grilling.